Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your product listings with eBay step by step clearly. Begin by researching keywords relevant to your product. Use tools like eBay's search bar or keyword planner to find popular terms. Next, focus on crafting a compelling title. Incorporate your main keyword naturally within the title. Ensure the title is clear and informative, highlighting the product's key features. Once the title is complete, move on to the product description. Write a detailed and accurate description, explaining the product's specifications. Use bullet points for easy readability, highlighting important features and benefits. Add any unique selling points that differentiate your product from competitors. Incorporate relevant keywords throughout the description to boost visibility. Next, focus on high-quality images of your product. Use multiple angles to showcase the product effectively. Ensure good lighting and clarity to capture details. Consider adding lifestyle images to demonstrate the product in use. Now, let's discuss pricing strategy. Research similar items to determine competitive pricing. Consider offering free shipping to attract more buyers. Once your listing is ready, select the appropriate category for your product. Choosing the right category increases visibility and helps potential buyers find your listing. Fill out as many specifics as possible, such as brand, size, and condition. This information helps improve searchability and informs buyers. Lastly, regularly review and update your listings. Monitor performance and customer feedback to make necessary adjustments. Adjust your titles or descriptions if they're not attracting the desired traffic. With these steps, your eBay product listings will become more engaging and effective in attracting buyers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.